Hi, beautiful souls. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we will talk about affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and believe in them, you can start to make positive changes. Affirmations are like exercise for our mind and outlook. These positive mental repetitions can reprogram our thinking patterns so that over time we begin to think and act differently. Affirmations can be used in all areas of your life. They work well with visualizations, meditation, and yoga. The power of affirmations lies in repeating them to yourself regularly. Make time throughout your day to work with your affirmations. It's important to repeat your affirmations as soon as you engage in the negative thought or behavior you want to overcome. When you put feeling behind the affirmation, then it's much more powerful. Take time to stop, breathe, clear your mind. Visualize roots growing to the earth from your body, grounding yourself. Allow yourself to feel love, dissolving away all negativity. You can find more affirmation meditations on my channel. Work with them daily. Create your own list. You can use Louise You Can Heal Your Life as a reference with many positive affirmations and also affirmations for specific health problems. You can find her free audio on SoundCloud. Sending out much love and light your way. Thank you so much for sharing this time and space with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity